Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I have an animal here that's in my lap, and she has pretty much annihilated this whole entire box of dog treats. This is by the brand Buddy. I think they're Buddy biscuits, baked in the USA. They look like little gingerbread man. And but this just happens to be, they might have a couple different flavors, but this is the one that's with natural peanut butter. And if you're looking for a treat that your dogs will love, I personally could care less about how it's shaped like a little gingerbread man, but that's just how they're made. And you can see here, I have one in my I have one in my hand. She is going crazy for it. Some call outs on this particular brand is you get the full guaranteed analysts as far as crude protein, 11%, fat 5%, fiber 3%, moisture 11%. And it just is a good all around. If you look at the ingredients on these, pretty they look like they're pretty good from a health standpoint for your fur baby, as I like to call them. So if you're looking for something that is of the peanut butter flavored, and you have an animal like this that is that you're training, or you want to be able to give a nice healthy treat to, these just might be for you. And I can assure you, oh yes, she's in love with it. I hope this finds you well in your search for the next latest and greatest dog treat, and we'll talk to you soon.